White shoes, check out the white shoes, check out the white shoes.
Dad, what's for dinner?
White shoes, check out the white shoes, check out the white shoes.
Yo, welcome back to another episode of Dad, What's for Dinner. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my super crunchy, crispy, delicious chicken wings. Of course, first things first, we're going to need some chicken wings. If you can, just buy them already separated. I went ahead and bought the whole chicken wings, and then I just cut them at the joints. Make sure to rinse them as well, clean them. I like to use a little bit of water, maybe some lemon, but just get those nice and clean, pluck any feathers that may be in there. And I know what you're thinking, where are your gloves? Well, my kids used up all the damn gloves playing in them. So make sure you guys, if you don't have gloves, make sure you guys wash your hands well before and after touching this raw chicken. All right, now let's get our seasoning blend mixed together. So I'm just adding together a little Creole and Cajun seasoning, some Tony's and some Cajun seasoning mixed together, some onion and garlic powder mixed in there, and I'm adding some accent. So that's MSG. I'm cooking like a ton of wings, so you can probably do about half that amount you guys see there. And again, I know MSG, people have a problem with that, so you can omit MSG. So don't hit me up in the comments coming down on me. I really just like the flavor, but leave it out if you want to. And once that seasoning's mixed together, you're going to want to use about half the seasoning on the chicken, get it nice and coated there. And again, my kids use up all the damn gloves, so I'm doing this barehanded, but you're going to want to mix all that seasoning into your chicken. Make sure it's nice and coated. If you need to add a little more, go ahead. Like I said, I made a ton of wings because we're about to tear this up. All right, we're almost done there. So let's go ahead and get our bowl. We're going to add a little flour. We're going to add a little baking powder, and we're going to add some cornstarch. And we're going to add our remaining seasonings to this mix. I add baking powder, again, baking powder, not baking soda, and cornstarch to the flour because it does give me the crispiest, crunchiest coating that I can get when we're frying. And we're just going to mix this all together, make sure it's all evenly mixed in, got the seasoning so you get an even flavor distribution on the chicken. All right, we're just going to add our chicken to the breading mixture. You just want to make sure you get them nice and coated. Then you also want to make sure you're squeezing that chicken and getting that coating into the chicken so it sticks a lot better. This is going to get you that nice, good outer golden crust that you're looking for. See how I'm squeezing it there? Just squeeze it and make sure you get all that flour and everything pushed into the chicken. So let's go ahead and get our chicken into the hot oil. I'm using peanut oil. Got the temperature up to about 350 degrees. And we're just going to place the chicken in there. Try not to overcrowd it too much. You don't want to get them back to back, touching on top of each other. Want to get a little space in between them so they fry well. And if you have a deep fryer, even better. I don't have a deep fryer, so I'm just using the pan method. And what we'll do is flip them. When they get nice and golden brown on one side, we'll flip them and then flip them again. And that's your finished product. I took the chicken wings off when the internal temperature reached about 165. And I know some people like them fried a little bit harder, so you can always fry them, the way you want them. But that's pretty much the finished product. And these wings were absolutely delicious. I made like close to 4 pounds of chicken wings, and the family smashed through them last night for dinner. All right, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Follow me on Facebook. These wings are absolutely amazing. Let's go.